I'm Cheris Spielman, Certified Specialist in Oncology Nutrition at El Camino Hospital Cancer Center. We're going to talk about power packing your foods. What is power packing? It's taking what you're able to eat and packing more calories, protein, and nutrients into that same volume of food. When would you use power packing? You'd use it if you have a poor appetite, or you've complained about feeling full after just a few bites. Perhaps you're trying to gain weight, or maybe you're experiencing taste changes and you need some flavor boosters. Power packing will work in each of these situations. You may have told me that you were able to eat yesterday a small bowl of oatmeal, a half a turkey sandwich, and some lentil soup. Let's take these meals one by one and show you how you can power pack them. Oatmeal is generally made with water, but if you make it with a plant or dairy milk, you have packed calories and protein into that same volume of oatmeal. You can also continue to power pack the oatmeal by adding your choice of like hemp seeds, walnuts, or even almonds, which are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which are anti-inflammatory. It will also add more protein to your bowl of oatmeal. Add a produce with some blueberries or other fruit, a flavor enhancer with cinnamon or brown sugar. We've power packed this breakfast meal, adding calories, protein, and nutrients to that bowl of oatmeal. Let's take a look at this lunch, a half a turkey sandwich. We can do better. An example would be an avocado, a quarter of an avocado or more, adding healthy fats and flavor. Pesto sauce would add flavor. Or you could use a white bean dip or a hummus dip for added protein. You may even choose to add a slice of cheese. Add more produce with a slice of tomato, sliced cucumbers, or sprouts. We've power packed this lunch with what? With calories, protein, and nutrients. Lentil soup, we can power pack that. While I'm heating up my lentil soup, I'm going to add some chopped kale or other greens such as spinach, some chopped tomatoes to get that produce in. To add more protein, I'm going to use a dollop of Greek yogurt or grated cheese. If you're a vegetarian or vegan, you could add nutritional yeast. To add some flavor, texture, sprinkle on some croutons. We've power packed this lentil soup with calories, protein, and nutrients. We've done great for these 3 simple meals. One other suggestion would be to see if you can't add 1 or 2 protein-based snacks, remembering that you have increased needs for protein during treatment for cancer, and it's important to spread protein throughout the day, which helps you fight fatigue with giving you some more sustained energy. So I might choose some whole grain crackers, adding cheese the size of 4 dice. Or I might choose Greek yogurt, twice the protein of your standard yogurt, with some fruit. To my plain banana, I'm going to increase the flavor and protein and calories with almond butter, cashew butter, or peanut butter. I've just taken this day of meals and power packed it, increase the calories, protein, and nutrients to help you eat better during treatment to feel better. I'm Cheris Spielman, Certified Specialist in Oncology Nutrition at El Camino Hospital Cancer Center.